Good day, kids! Can you find the product of this number in just a few seconds? That will be our lesson for today. In this lesson, we will be using close to the base technique in order to multiply numbers. A multiplicand or multiplier is a number that can be less or more to the base. For example, 97 is 3 units away from 100, whereas 105 is 5 units more or farther from 100. Dahil sa kakulangan o yung sobra, pwede na tayong mag-calculate ng multiplication. Example number 1. 98 times 97. Ilan ang kulang ng 98 upang maging 100? At ilan naman ang kulang ng 97 upang maging 100? 98 has 2 units away before 100. Sa number line, makikita natin na 2 units na lang ang kailangan mo upang marating ang 100. Multiplier 97 is 3 units away from 100. Now, let's find the first 2 digits of the product. You may choose either the multiplier or the multiplicand to process. For example, 98 minus 3 is equal to 95, while 97 minus 2 is equal to 95. Pareho, di ba? The next step is to find the last 2 digits of the product. 2 times 3 is equal to 6. Therefore, 98 times 97 is equal to 9,506. Let's have another example. 95 times 97. 95 has 5 units deficient to become 100, whereas 97 has 3 units before we reach 100. Let's write minus 5. For 97, we will write minus 3. Now, let's find the first 2 digits of the product. 97 minus 5 is equal to 92. Whereas 95 minus 3 is also 92. Okay, let's go to the next step. 5 times 3 is equal to 15. Now, the product is 9,215. That easy. Let's have another example. Let's multiply 89 times 75. 89 is deficient of 11, while 75 is deficient with 25. So let's write negative 11 and negative 25. Please take note that the deficiency of these 2 numbers can reach up to 3 digits. Let's continue solving the first 2 digits. 75 minus 11 is equal to... It's 64. However, if we are going to multiply 25 times 11, it becomes 275, 3 digits already. Digit 2 has been carried by the next higher place value. Therefore, the final answer is 6,675. Ulitin natin, 89 minus 25 is equal to 64, and 11 times 25 is equal to 275. The first 2 digit is 64 plus 2, which is equal to 66, and then affix 75. The product is 6,675. Let's have another example. This time we have a 3-digit number by 2-digit number. 105 is in excess of 5 units, while 94 is lacking 6. So let's write positive 5 beside 105 while negative 6 is 494. Let's find the first two digits of the product. 94 plus 5 is equal to 99. Please take note that there is a positive and negative symbols here. Ang gagawin natin? Let's find out. 5 times 6 is equal to 30. And the tens complement of 30 is 70. Be sure to take away 1 from 99. 99 minus 1 is 98. And the last two digits is 70. Saan natin nakuha ang 70? Yan ang tens complement ng 5 times 6. 5 times 6 is equal to 30. 100 minus 30 is equal to 70. Be sure to subtract 1 from 99. Therefore, 105 times 94 is equal to 9,870. Let's have another example. 106 times 95. Let's write positive 6 beside 106 and negative 5 beside 95. 95 plus 6 is equal to 101. 6 times 5 is 30, and the tens complement is 70. Therefore, the final answer is 10,070. Let's have another example. 106 times 98. 106 is in excess of 6, while 98 is lacking of 2. Now let's find the first three digits of the product. 106 minus 2 is equal to 104. 6 times 2 is equal to 12, and the tens complement is 88. Therefore, the product is 10,388. Let's have another example. 106 times 92. 106 is in excess of 6, while 92 is deficient of 8. 92 plus 6 is equal to 98. 6 times 8 is equal to 48, and its tens complement is 52. Therefore, the product is 9,752. Let's have another example. This time, the multiplier and the multiplicand is in excess of the base. The multiplicand is in excess of 5, while the multiplier 104 is in excess of 4. 104 plus 5 is 109. 5 times 4 is equal to 20. Therefore, 105 times 104 is equal to 10,920. Now it's your turn to find the product.
Isang malaking blessing po ang maging part ng I Volunteer for Filipino Children. Maraming salamat po kay Sir Edward sa pagtuturo niya sa mga bata, lalo na po sa anak ko, si Pio na nasa kinder pa lang. Pero sa loob po ng 3 linggo, marami na po siya nalalaman na po sa math, sa tamang pagbabasa at sa tamang pronunciation of words. At malaking tulong po ito sa mga pagbubulang din na katulad ko.
31 times 5 equals 155. 51 times 5 equals 255. 61 times 5 equals 305. 71 times 5 equals 355.
Sa mga magulang na gustong isali ang mga anak upang mas lalo silang magiging mahusay, mangyari po lamang makipag-ugnayan sa mga admin. I-search lang sa Facebook ang IVFC Early Learners Info page. Ito ay isang libreng serbisyo mula sa I Volunteer for Filipino Children.